IELTS reading multiple choice questions are the easiest one, but many students fail to attend this question task perfectly with correct strategy. Don't worry about it. In this video, I am going to give you the easy strategy to solve this question task and get a higher band score in your IELTS examination. Hi everyone, this is Yesha with IELTSmaterial.com, helping my students to achieve their dreams with IELTS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What is multiple choice question task? This task requires a student to select one correct answer or multiple correct answers from different alternatives. This task is categorized into three different types of questions. Number one, selecting one correct answer from four different options, and this is also called as selecting single answer. Number two, selecting two correct answers from five different options, means selecting multiple answers. And finally, the option number three, that is selecting three correct answers from seven different options. This is also called as selecting multiple answer. Now here are the tips to solve multiple choice questions. Listen very carefully and understand the four alternative factors. Find the incorrect answers first by identifying them as the information not mentioned at all in the text, that is not given, mentioned but the information is irrelevant, again it's not given, mentioned but the information refers to someone or something else, that means false, the opposite of something mentioned in the text, again it's going to be false. This is the only and the easiest method to solve multiple choice question task.
Thank you for watching it till here. If you want to learn more tips and strategies for IELTS, then check out the description below and book a free demo class today.
Now let's take an exercise. You can see I have taken a very small passage and there are only two questions where you have to select the correct letter A, B, C or D. Write the correct letter for questions 1 and 2. I will give you some time and try to apply the strategy of true, false, not given. The information which is completely contradictory, you would just eliminate that option. And if you do not find any information which is there in the alternative, eliminate that information as well. Striking off the wrong alternatives will definitely give you the correct answer at the end of each question. So here your time starts now. So see, the first question, the answer is B. Took a long time to become a reality. Here, if you see the passage, the third line, it says, David Lloyd George suggested that people should pay national insurance every week when they are fit and working in order to enjoy benefits when they are sick and unemployed. It wasn't till 1948. That means it took a long time to become a reality. That means put it into practice. It took a longer time period, or I would say more number of years. That is why the answer is B. Question number 2, the answer is A. We're involved in helping poor people. Just go exactly the next sentence right after the first one, which is, of course, there had been some system of aid for the poorer members of society, either from charities or from local authorities. That means were involved in helping poor people. Local authorities were involved in helping poor people. You must have seen that this task involves the strategy of true false not given, and this actually helps in solving the multiple choice questions way quickly, just less than a minute. So what is this? This is actually double learning from one lesson. Stay with us for more IELTS learning, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel. Keep learning and stay updated with IELTSmaterial.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.